Thanks to a laser guidance system, after 18 months of excavation, the TBM, or tunnel boring machine, finally reached its destination, arriving exactly at its intended location at the end of the tunnel. Following this, the massive machine was dismantled and brought to the surface in pieces. After the excavation was completed, the tunnel was lined with another 12 inches of concrete. Concrete is a mixture of sand, gravel, cement, and water. Each day, approximately 550 cubic yards of concrete was mixed, pumped, and placed along the tunnel. That's about as much concrete as was used to build each floor of the Empire State Building. A dedicated batch plant was required to accommodate the volume of concrete needed for this phase of the project. The tunnel was lined by a slip form operation in which massive steel forms, 162 feet long, were used to hold and shape the wet concrete. The concrete required between 5 and 6 hours to set completely, and then the forms could be moved forward. Every day, these forms were moved ahead for the next day's work, resulting in 800 feet of lining being placed every week. When the finished project is put into service, this tunnel will provide an important line of defense for Rhode Island, preventing unwanted sewage overflows from entering Narragansett Bay and keeping the bay clean for future generations. The crew patched up any seams to ensure the integrity of the finished tunnel. Once the joints in the concrete were sealed with grout, the tunnel was cleaned to complete the job. On the surface, there's almost no evidence that so much intense and complicated work was successfully completed nearly 300 feet below the ground.